Kevin Costner sued for allegedly unrehearsed intimate scene. Kevin Costner faces a lawsuit from a female stunt actor who claims that during the filming of Horizon, an American Saga, Chapter 2, she was involved in an unrehearsed intimate scene. Additionally, she claimed that the intimacy coordinator wasn't around to make sure nothing untoward happened. Who is suing the movie star? The Sun US reported on Thursday that the stunt person has been filming for about 4 or 5 years. Devyn LaBella, who is 34 years old, has experience making films, but she's very unhappy with Costner because a wild scene allegedly happened when she stood in for Ella Hunt. In 2023, she heard about a scene in the Horizon movie that involved a planned sexual assault. She's a former gymnast who enjoys doing stunt work as long as the rules are followed. The outlet noted that the suit claims the rules were not followed. Thus, the lawsuit claims that there was no correct protocol carried out. Unrehearsed sexual simulation. Citing the lawsuit, the outlet mentioned that Kevin Costner sent for her to do a violent scene. However, the usual protocols were not in place. Allegedly, the scene was initiated with no warning, rehearsal, or choreography. The allegations by the complaint state that Costner told a fellow actor to pin LaBella on a wagon before simulating rape. Apparently, the scene was shot several times, but LaBella had no choice but to endure it. Notably, she felt as if she experienced a nightmare. Costner's camp denies it. Costner's team claims that nothing happened like that. Allegedly, she knew all about the scene before filming. Additionally, Kevin's legal rep claimed that LaBella continued to work on the movie for a few more weeks until her wrap date, and she took the stunt coordinator to a thank-you dinner. Furthermore, the production company noted that the scene had been consented to and no report was made to anyone after the allegedly humiliating segment was filmed. At this time, any settlement granted will rely on the outcome of the court case. So, it's not clear how much money will be involved if the stunt person wins. Setting a new precedent? Female stunt performers have successfully sued in the past for damages from accidents and scenes going wrong. However, it seems unusual for a case to be considered like that of Devyn LaBella. Legal action by stunt performers in such situations is possible if they can demonstrate that there was a lapse in safety. Another point to be considered would be illegal behavior. In other words, she'll need to prove the scene amounted to harassment or assault under relevant employment laws or criminal statutes. The ongoing lawsuit regarding an alleged inappropriate scene could perhaps set a new standard or precedent for future claims. It's too soon yet to know what the findings will be. Because it's Kevin Costner, it's likely to be a high-profile case. So, check back with us often for all your celebrity news and updates.